Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to unveil a game-changing strategy that could have you raking in anywhere from $500 to $100 every single day. If you've been on the lookout for a method that's not only free and accessible worldwide, but also demands minimal effort while offering the potential for repeated income, you're in for a treat. Now let's get ready to embark on this income-generating journey. Today, I'm going to guide you through the creation of a sustainable passive income stream that could have you counting stacks of cash daily. The best part? It's straightforward, requires minimal work, and you don't need any technical skills. Stick with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll take you by the hand through the entire process. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. Now, here's the twist: we're going to leverage the powerhouse that is YouTube, but we won't be relying on ad revenue. Instead, I'll unravel a unique approach that doesn't involve creating your own content, showing your face, or doing voiceovers. Intrigued? Let's break it down step by step. Head over to the YouTube search bar and type in something like cute animals. What you'll find are videos with millions of views, simple content, and catchy thumbnails. Our strategy involves tapping into these videos without depending on ad revenue. Stick around, and I'll spill the beans on how to monetize this effectively. Let's take a closer look at this video right here. I'm going to pause it for a moment and scroll down. I want to highlight what they might be using, or more precisely, what they are indeed using. It's a tool called Vid IQ. Now, Vid IQ is a platform that you can download as a Chrome extension, situated right up here. This IQ extension is crucial for understanding the tags they're employing to rank this video. If we open up Vid IQ, it reveals exactly which tags they've used to optimize their video. Now, here's the interesting part: you can replicate their success by copying these tags. It's a straightforward process. Just copy these tags and use them for your own content. By doing this, you essentially tell YouTube to promote your content to the same audience that's engaging with this video. It's a powerful strategy to boost visibility and reach a wider audience. And here's where it gets interesting. They're not using their videos. They're tapping into Creative Commons videos. Smart move, but we'll take it up a notch. So, here's what you do. Head back to YouTube, type in your chosen keyword, say cute animals, click on filter, select Creative Commons, and voila! You've got a treasure trove of videos you can use without any copyright worries. Now, pick a video, download it using a YouTube to MP4 Converter, and you're ready to roll. Alright, let's talk about creating a killer thumbnail. It's so easy, guys, seriously. Just head over to Google, just open up Google, guys. Take a look at all those fantastic photos waiting for you to use. I mean, it's Google, right? So, let me break it down. Type in whatever you fancy. I went with screaming kittens, funny kittens, all those words that'll land you some hilarious images. Now, here's the trick. See where it says Tools? Yup, click on that. Scroll down a bit, and hit Labeled for Reuse. And bam! You've got a treasure trove of images you can use without any worries. Now, once you've got your chosen image, head over to Canva. Click on Creative Design, and then hit Custom Dimensions. Easy, right? Go with 1920 by 1080. And there you have it, the perfect YouTube thumbnail size. Now, let's bring it all together. Right-click on your chosen image, hit Copy this image, and then paste it onto Canva. Simple as that, guys. Look at that, we've got ourselves a thumbnail. You can get creative with it, maybe title it something like Screaming Cats vs. Sleeping Cats. It's all up to you. Creating a thumbnail is seriously a piece of cake. Now you've got your video, you've got your eye-catching thumbnail, and you've hit that upload button. Now, you might be wondering, how do I make money from this? Well, it's merch time. Enter Teespring, a platform that lets you sell merchandise without holding any inventory. Now, to put this into action, head on over to a site like Teespring.com. Teespring is a platform that lets you sell merchandise without the hassle of managing inventory or spending any money upfront. Each time someone makes a purchase, you pocket the profit, and the potential for substantial earnings is significant. I'll walk you through exactly how much you can potentially make. We're talking thousands of dollars per day, like $100 or $500 for a video with 10 million plus views. It's entirely achievable, as evidenced by those gaining millions of views from their initial uploads. So, let's delve into how Teespring works. Firstly, navigate to the site, click on Login, and you'll be directed to a page where you can sign in via Google, Facebook, or create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on a page that looks like the one I just created for demonstration purposes. Now, proceed to click on Start Designing, and it'll take you to a page where you can unleash your creative genius. Whether it's for the cat enthusiasts, dog lovers, or any animal aficionados, there's a market for a variety of products. With a single click, you can design a masterpiece and use it on an array of items like t-shirts, pants, leggings, socks, mugs, handbags, phone covers, and more. Suppose we focus on selling a t-shirt. Click on Sell, and you'll land on a page where you can set the selling price. Let's say you opt for $24.99, a price that doesn't involve managing inventory until a sale is made, and it won't cost you a dime up front. Now you can search for an image, either from Google, ensuring it's labeled for reuse, or using sites like Clean.com. Download a royalty-free image, and we're ready to roll. Returning to your design, you can add text if desired, and then incorporate the chosen image. Resize and customize as you see fit. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on Continue, and you'll be presented with a myriad of images showcasing your design on various products: t-shirts, leggings, pants, hoodies, and even accessories like mugs, phone cases, and bags. Let's say you've chosen a cute dog design on a t-shirt. You're ready to roll in the sales. All that's left is to grab your unique link, available once you click Continue, and paste it into the top description of any video you create, and watch the cash flow in. Let's do some quick math. For 1% click on your Teespring link, and only a fraction of them make a purchase. You could be looking at thousands of dollars in earnings. Not bad for a re-upload, right? So, there you have it. A simple way to make money online by copying, pasting, and re-uploading videos. It's quick, it's easy, and it could potentially make you a decent income. If you enjoyed this video, and you're hungry for more ways to make money on YouTube, check out this other video where I spill some more money-making secrets. Thanks for hanging out, stay safe, and catch you in the next one.